Hi, my name is Dania and I'm an educator myself. I'm going to show you how to use the assessment tool if you'd like to create a small quiz for your students to take and test their learning. When you create a resource, make sure to select Assessment to show the student that this is an assessment. At the bottom of the text editor, you are going to see an icon that says Assessment. If you click it, you'll be able to create the assessment. I'm going to show you an example of one that I have already created. You give the assessment a title, and then you can add as many questions as you'd like by pressing Add Question. For each question, you should write the instructions, and you can even upload an image to assess the students. If you press Select Type, then you will be able to choose if this question would be single choice, meaning one correct answer to be selected, multiple choice, meaning several answers to be selected, and true and false. After doing so, enter the answer types by clicking the Answers button, and you can type in the answer choices that you would like for the students to have. So, after you add them, by pressing the Add button, the answer options could be in the form of text, an image, or even a voice note. Select the correct answer for the student so that later on when they are taking the assessment, they will be known if it's correct or incorrect. Do the same for the remaining questions, and when you are done, simply press Add to Resource, and then it will be inside the lesson material.